Hi, boys and girls. It's week 8, day 2. It's Tuesday, May 19th. It's our last Tuesday. So I'm focusing on our reading lesson for today, reading and spelling. And so the first thing you're going to do is go to the second grade distance learning page and listen to and read along with the story Cowboys. And I'm just showing you some pictures that you're going to see. And Boys and Girls, the story Cowboys is an informational text. So that's the genre. Informational text often gives facts about real people, real places, and events that reflect history or the traditions of communities. So you're going to look for and listen to and read for facts about cowboys. So you might think, oh, I'm not interested in cowboys, but boys and girls, it is kind of a history lesson about cowboys of long ago and of today. So I have this little graph made out, and it compares and contrasts cowboys of the Old West, that means of long, long ago, and cowboys of today. So that's what we're going to be just focusing on really quick here. So cowboys of the Old West and cowboys of today. So cowboys of the Old West rounded up cattle on horseback. Today, cowboys of today round up cattle oftentimes using ATVs or on really, really, really big ranches, boys and girls, they round up cattle with helicopters. Cowboys of the Old West, they delivered cattle to market, that means to go to become food, all using trail rides. Cowboys of today, they deliver cattle to markets using trucks and highways. Cowboys of the Old West, they cooked food over an open campfire. And cowboys of today, they cook food in electric and microwave ovens. And I bet sometimes they do on a cook over a fire, like when you maybe go camping, you cook over an open fire. But most of the time, cowboys today use electric and microwave ovens. Cowboys of the Old West wore wide-rim hats and jeans. Cowboys of today wear wide-brim hats and jeans. So there's what they wear is the same as what they wore in the old days. So that one is the same. Isn't that interesting? So that's just a little chart on cowboys of the Old West and cowboys of today. So I hope you enjoy listening and reading along with that story, Cowboys. So the next thing we're going to go to is our spelling sheet. And it has the suffixes, ness, we add that to the base word or root word, and less. So if you remember from yesterday's lesson, ness is like the state of being or act of being. So the first one is kindness. So kindness is the state or act or just being kind. So being kind, kindness. The word less means without. And the first less word is careless. So we write careless. And what does careless mean? Without care. Yeah, if you're careless with something, you're not caring about it. You're without care. And fearless would be another one. Fearless. You're without fear. Fearless. So those are our spelling words. Let's read them over. Kindness, careless, goodness, useless, fearless, darkness, it's dark out, it's being dark out, sadness, being sad, sickness, being sick, helpless, without help. So if you're helpless, you're without help. You need help. Thankless, without thanks, fitness, and weakness. And our words to read are machine, sometimes CH says sh, and wash. All right, now let's go to the back. You're going to finish the list words. So these words, second graders, go into here. So which of our spelling words is the letter I second? Right, sickness. Sickness. Okay, so you just write sickness. Okay. Then the word going down is, read the word in the shaded box to find out something that grows on reefs. And the word is coral. So it's going to be C-O-R-A-L. And we talked a tiny bit about coral reefs. So check out my YouTube page, and I'm going to have a little video on coral reefs, so you know about coral reefs. It's going to be pretty interesting. I learned a lot too. Then down below, find the chart with list words. Excuse me, fill the chart with list words. So boys and girls, where it's gray, you don't write anything. Sadness. Sadness. So you just put sad and ness together. Sadness. The state or being sad. So that's how you do that. Useness is not a word, but useless is. So then you write useless. It's useless to write with a broken pencil. Okay? So the gray means don't write anything in it. Okay? So watch for that video on coral reefs. You're going to like it. It's a good one. Adios. Day 2. Woo!